Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can solve the problem that you are unable to enable personal hotspot on your iPhone. I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but you may encounter the same problem with other models of the iPhone. Here you can see I have enabled cellular data, but if I click on the personal hotspot option, it is not enabling. And also if I go to the settings menu, I am unable to see the personal hotspot option. So I'm going to show you different fixes that you can apply. So let's begin the video. The first thing that you need to do is to swipe down from the top right side and make sure that airplane mode is disabled. Currently you can see airplane mode is enabled. Just disable this option. After that you should have the personal hotspot option and you can check whether it is working or not. If it is still not working, make sure that your phone has SIM or eSIM. In my case I have two eSIMs installed, and if you don't know, from the top left you can see whether SIMs are on your phone or not. In my case I have both the eSIMs. So if you have SIMs on your iPhone, all you need to do is to just enable this cellular data option. Just click on it and cellular data will be enabled, and after that you can simply go and click on the personal hotspot option to see if it is enabling or not. The second thing is that maybe your SIM provider does not provide cellular plan, so you need to call your SIM provider to know whether cellular data is included in your plan or not. If your SIM does not include cellular data plan, then that may be the reason that personal hotspot option is not working. Now the fourth solution is to actually restart your iPhone. If you want to know how, for the iPhone 15, just click on the power and volume down button and you're going to have the power slide to power off option. Just power off your iPhone, wait for 5 to 10 seconds and power it on again. Sometimes there are glitches and restarting your iPhone will work, but in my case I have already restarted the phone and it was not working. So the last option that actually worked for me is a little different, and I think most of the people who have eSIMs are going to encounter this problem. So you're going to go to the settings. Again, open the cellular menu. From here you're going to select your primary or secondary SIM which has cellular data plan. So in my case it's my primary SIM. I'm going to click on primary. From here it's going to have cellular data network. Click on this option, and from here you're going to simply scroll down and you're going to have an option personal hotspot, and it's going to have APN. So in front of APN you need to type the APN name. So for this you need to actually call your cellular data provider and ask them for the hotspot APN name. In my case the SIM provider is Jazz, and I have talked to them and my APN name is Jazz. If you have Uphone or some other kind of cellular provider, you need to call their helpline and know the APN name. Once you have entered your APN name, they may provide a username and password. In my case I have to set it blank, but in your case your service provider or SIM provider will tell you the username and password, and that's all. If I go back, that's all the things that I need to do. Open the menu from again top, long press on it. I'm going to enable cellular data, and now you can see the personal hotspot option is enabled, and if I click on it my hotspot is working. Similarly, if I close it from here, open settings, and here you can see personal hotspot option is now showing in my menu of settings as well. If I go here, I can enable hotspot and other people can join my hotspot using the password that I have set. So yeah guys, in this way you can solve the problem that the personal hotspot option is not showing up or not working on your iPhone. If you guys like these different solutions, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.